Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to teach you how to say family and family members, part 3. In this video you will know how to say nephew, niece, mother-in-law, father-in-law. Let's start. Nephew, it's племянник, племянник, племянник. Niece, племянница, племянница. Племянница. Mother-in-law, it can be mother of your husband's mother or your wife's mother. It's in Russian we have different words. If it's your wife's mother, it's теща, теща. If it's your husband's mother, it's свекровь, свекровь. Well, father-in-law, it's the same. We have two words. If it's your wife's father, it's тесть, тесть. If it's your husband's father, it's свекор, свекор. Okay, now let's repeat. Nephew, племянник. Niece, племянница. Mother-in-law and father-in-law, your wife's mother and father, it's тесть and теща. Mother and father-in-law from your husband's side, it's свекор and свекровь. That's all. Thank you for watching. And if you have any questions, you can let me know in the comment section. See you. Bye.